Hi guys, we're just gonna be solving a 3x3 again because I can. Switching cubes because I just kind of felt like it. Anyway, we'll just start now, I guess. Anyway, so I think it was yesterday, I got a new personal best, which is crazy. It's like crazy fast. Guess how long it was? You can't because the comments are turned off and I can't figure out why. It was 15 seconds. Pretty crazy, I know. Crap. No, I messed it up. This is bad. Oh, no, wait. No. Clicked the wrong button. 38. Just, that didn't happen. Oh, crap. Oh, no. 20.82. It was 18.82, but I got plus 2 seconds because I didn't finish it. Sorry, I don't know if I'm holding the cube up to the screen. Sorry, I keep not holding it up to the camera. $25.65. Yeah, so I really just had nothing to do and I was kind of bored, so I just decided, you know, I haven't recorded in a while, so I'm just gonna do a recording. Because if you didn't know, I do my recordings before I post them, because I usually want to know that I'm going to have content for you guys. 22.55. I usually want to know that I have content for you guys and not just keep you waiting and keep myself wondering when I'm going to post next, because that actually happens sometimes. Because sometimes I don't have the time to make a video. So I want to make sure that whenever I have time to make a video, like right now, I have time to, because I am. No, I misclicked. 20.33. Alright, so like now I have time, so I want to make sure I can make as many videos for you guys as I can tonight before I go to bed. Crap. And some random cuber that'll solve in 8 seconds will be like, ha, this kid's pathetic. But just starting. None of the cubers are actually like mean like that. I'm just saying. Also, if you're wondering, yes, I am using the Rubik's Connected. If you don't know what that means, it means it connects with your phone. But I'm not cheating. I'm not cheating. So, just so you know that. I just think this is a really good cube, and it's really fast, and it has good magnets, so I just think this is a nice cube to solve on, and since I've been getting really good solves, no, dang it, that would have been 25, but it was 27, since, you know what, I don't even remember what I was talking about, crap. Crap. Okay. $23.64. You know what? Maybe I'll move the camera up a bit because it's kind of hard to see my laptop screen. This is bad. This is really bad. Just gonna try to hold it as close to the camera as I can. Wow, I completed it on exactly 6 minutes. That's amazing. Frick. Crap. Got a slow algorithm. 24.52. Crap. Crap. Not holding up to the camera. That's not good. Not a good solve. It was a good solve, then I messed it all up. Oh crap. So I have a really bad habit of sometimes like not. Oh wait. Yeah, okay, that's good. Of like just continuing scrambling when I'm done. $24.54. By the way, next video, which is going to be posted probably on the same day today's video is posted. So the next video that I post will be a special Halloween video. So you have to stay tuned for that because it's really cool. $25.98. Ooh, 21.82. That's really good. $22.78. 24.34. Sorry I haven't been talking. I've just really been concentrating. Trying to get good times. Alright. Because usually when I'm talking about stuff like Nebraska, I get distracted. 20.32. Kilo skip. Okay. If there's some cuber watching who's wondering what method I'm using CFOP, which is just practically the beginner's method, just faster and with a lot more algorithms. I'm using one look PLL except for G perms and RA perm, I think. Not really great with, oh crap. Nope. Jeez. Not really great with memorizing my algorithm names. I just kind of do the algorithm. $22.03. Oh, wow, I've already done 100 solves on this. That's actually crazy. $27.06. Currently my average of 100 is 30 seconds, so I really gotta change that. Every time I get a really good solve, I never get an easy algorithm. I always get like an R perm, which I only know one R perm, and that's the one where it's like the piece is not facing you, or the piece is in the back. No! Crap, I gotta change something. Hold on. Never. All right. $21.80. Alright, I think this might be the last or second to last solve of the day. Jeez, this video is long. Crap. I'm bad at this. That's a really bad solve. Alright, well, you know I can't end the day on a bad solve. So, I'm just gonna keep going. 30 seconds. 31.72. All right. Okay, 22.68. I'm gonna do one more solve and then I'm gonna be done. Crap. What? Oh, I'm being really slow. Every time I do really good with the first step, my brain just completely stops functioning. Alright, that was a worse time. That was 25.98. Let me see if I can get a better time. I'm gonna try not to look at the timer like my grandpa told me, because when I did that, I beat my personal best. Like, that was before. That was way before. I got like 30 seconds there. .00. Alright, well, I'm going to practice a bit off camera. And so, bye, guys. See you guys later, I guess, on the same day. Maybe if this video is posted. I don't know. Maybe.